CM Global Partners presents Pareto Optimality in Salesforce Compensation. Pareto's principle states that there's an optimal solution that cannot be improved upon without disadvantaging at least one group. This is the proverbial win-win situation. Unfortunately, in most business situations, if one group or individual wins, it usually means that others must lose to some extent. Often, the consequence is some form of conflict or unrest. If, for example, management puts its interests first, then the interest of others in the organization must be compromised to compensate for management's larger share. If, on the other hand, another group, such as the sales force, receives a disproportionate share, then profitability will likely be compromised, and management and those to whom it is accountable will likely be dissatisfied. CM Global Partners applies Pareto Principle in determining the optimal commissions to pay sales reps. In our case, the constraints are the company's expenses, competitors' commissions, and the desired profit margin. Our goal is to find a solution that provides the maximum benefit to your sales reps while ensuring that you retain enough money to pay your bills and make a profit. It's a proven visionary system. Virtually guarantees corporate profitability, aligns the goals of your sales reps with corporate goals, drives productivity naturally, enhances recruiting and retention capabilities, accelerates and improves the decision-making process, provides financial stability as profit becomes less variable even if the market declines. The proprietary software calculates each compensation plan uniquely to ensure that it is profitable. Textbook formula do not provide the accuracy required. In fact, we have demonstrated that the cost of running the company are not as critical as the distribution of revenue. Integral to the system are the consultants who follow an established change management process adjusted for the circumstances, along with the methodology for analyzing a company's financial and competitive situation. These same consultants introduce the new plans, thus completing a powerful accountability circle. The glue binding the system together is the compensation philosophy used in developing the new compensation structures. Central to the philosophy is choice, a Deming belief. It's about choice. Choice in compensation helps in several ways. Choice maximizes the number of reps you can recruit and retain. Choice lowers the break-even point of the company. Choice is critical to driving productivity. Choice forces reps to explore, easing denial in the change process. Let sales reps choose the compensation structure that's right for them. Each faces different personal circumstances and has different motivational issues. It's a simple but powerful concept. Next, we add a simple but powerful concept. Once each sales rep has paid their share of the fixed and variable costs and made the company a profit, we accelerate their commission to the highest point possible mathematically while still maintaining the profit margin. Almost all of our choices incorporate this idea. This causes a surprising number of positive outcomes. Productivity jumps as the maximum number is very lucrative and is set not only to achieve profits now, but also to be achievable by solid producers. You want to get each sales rep to the maximum number as quickly as possible, as this ensures your survival and profits. Reps desire the same things, as they then have an opportunity to make more money on each sale at the maximum split. In fact, over time, waste is reduced and only the services essential to the process survive or are added. Recruiting and retention are greatly improved, as the designs are so appealing. The system is most appropriate for firms in commission-driven businesses. However, a number of companies in other industries have implemented this approach, and it has been successful in every case. It has also been proven to work in businesses that have fewer than a dozen revenue generators and huge organizations with several thousand. A winning track record. Proven success. Broad reach. Increased revenue. Recruiting easier. Higher profits. In addition, a number of firms have found the system useful in mergers and acquisitions. They start by making their own company more profitable and use those earnings to fund the acquisition of another company. They then roll out this system to the newly combined company, which generates profits to fund the next acquisition. Contact CM Global Partners.